Namaskar. I'm Bhuvaneshwari again from Swadesh Yatra. Let's learn more about Ganesha, right? So, an interesting fact is that Ganesha helped Lord Brahma create. How can that happen? Well, the fact is that Ganesha is older than Brahma himself and he helped him create. Why did Brahma require the help of Ganapati? Well, that's because creation was a new job and Brahma didn't know how to do it. He made lots of mistakes. Now, you and me, we also make lots of mistakes when we are just learning something new. But that's okay. We can always call for divine help who will come and sort out our problems and give us the right solution. Now, how did Ganesha help Brahma? For that, we need to know the mistakes of Brahma. In the beginning, when Brahma started creating, he didn't know where the hands or the eyes or the ears should be. So, you know what kind of species he made? He made somebody with a hand sprouting out of the head. One eye was at the back, and one leg will be coming from the shoulder. How can anybody walk? How can any being live? It had to be in order for any body to function properly. Brahma didn't know how to make this. All species and beings were topsy-turvy, and it just didn't work out. He got vexed. And then he sat in tapas and learned more, and slowly, by making many mistakes, finally he was able to make proper species. But then a new problem came. Now, what is the problem? These species would go, jump off the cliff and die. These species would not know how to eat. They would not know how to survive. If a boulder fell on them, they would just die. It just didn't mean anything to them. Life was meaningless. That's when Ganesha came up with a solution. He told Brahma, wait, I shall place myself in the Mooladhara chakra, the root chakra of every being, and I will give them body consciousness. Once the beings become body conscious, they start associating themselves, the I, the ego self, their conscience will associate itself with the body. And now what happened? A miracle happened. All the species that were created started protecting themselves. If someone were to chase them, out of fear, they would protect themselves. If there was cold or rain or very, very harsh sunlight, they would protect themselves. When they felt hungry, they would go look for food, search for food and nourish themselves. This way, life began on a very auspicious note. This is how Ganesha has helped the origin of all species. Even today, Ganesha lives in our root chakra, in every being, sitting at the base of our spine, in the Mooladhara chakra. How does his seat look? It's a 4-petal lotus, just 4-petal lotus, and he's sitting in the root chakra and gives us body consciousness that has helped us right from the moment of birth until the moment of death. Isn't this interesting? Gam Gam Ganesha. Thank you.